Have you ever wondered how to manifest your desires effortlessly and in the shortest amount of time possible? The answer might surprise you, but it's not about complicated rituals or endless hours of meditation. In fact, you can manifest anything you truly want in just 4 minutes. Yes, 4 minutes. This technique is simple yet profound. It works, and I want to show you how. Manifestation is not some mystical or magical process. It's an incredibly natural and powerful ability that lies within you. We all have the power to shape our reality with our thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. Yet, many of us complicate the process, not realizing that our inner world directly influences the outer world. You see, the key to manifestation lies in your ability to truly believe, to feel deeply as if your desire is already realized. The first step is to relax your body and mind. Find a comfortable place where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and slowly exhale. As you do this, let go of any tension you might be holding. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter and more at ease. Now that your body is relaxed, it's time to move into your imagination. Imagine that you already have what you desire. Don't just think about it, feel it as if it is happening right now. If you're manifesting a new car, imagine yourself sitting in the driver's seat, feeling the smooth steering wheel in your hands, smelling the new car scent, and hearing the hum of the engine. Visualize every detail of the experience as if you're actually living it. The key here is feeling. When you can genuinely feel the experience as if it is already yours, you are aligning your inner world with your outer desire. And this is where the magic happens. You are no longer wishing for something in the future, you are living it in the present moment. But the trick is to do this with absolute conviction. Don't simply hope or wish, feel a deep, unwavering certainty that what you are imagining is real. Your belief and feeling create the bridge between your current reality and the reality you wish to manifest. The power lies in your ability to believe beyond all doubts. As you hold this vision and feeling, repeat a short affirmation to reinforce your belief. It could be something as simple as, "I am already living this experience." Repeat this affirmation with passion and certainty, and really let the words sink in. The repetition of this affirmation helps to solidify the manifestation in your subconscious mind, which is where the real work happens. The subconscious mind is incredibly powerful. It doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. It simply accepts what you believe to be true. When you deeply feel your manifestation as if it's already here, your subconscious mind accepts it as fact, and the universe begins to align itself to bring that reality into your life. Next, let go of any attachment to how or when your desire will manifest. This is a crucial part of the process. While it's important to believe and feel your desire, it's equally important to trust that the universe knows the best way and timing for it to come into your life. Don't try to control the process. Simply surrender and trust. This is where many people get stuck. They think that in order for their manifestation to work, they must obsess over it or constantly think about it. But that's not true. After your 4 minutes of focused manifestation, let it go. Go about your day, trusting that what you've imagined is already on its way to you. The reason this works so effectively is because you are tapping into the power of your imagination and aligning it with your subconscious mind. You see, everything around you, everything you see and experience, was once a thought in someone's mind. Your thoughts create your reality. And when you focus on your desire with strong belief and deep feeling, you're sending a clear message to the universe that this is what you want, and it has no choice but to respond. What I want you to understand is that manifestation isn't about waiting for something outside of you to change. It's about changing your inner world first. When you change your thoughts, your beliefs, and your feelings, the outer world must follow suit. That's the way the universe works. And here's something else you should know: the more you practice this technique, the stronger your ability to manifest will become. Like any skill, manifestation takes practice. The more you exercise your power of imagination, the more effortless and natural it becomes to create your reality. But don't take my word for it. Test it out for yourself. The next time you have a desire, give yourself just 4 minutes to imagine it already being true. Feel it, believe it, and then let go of it. Watch how quickly things begin to shift around you. You might be wondering, what if it doesn't work immediately? Don't worry. Sometimes, things take a little time to manifest, especially if they're big or complex. But the key is to stay persistent and to trust the process. Every time you manifest something, no matter how small, you are strengthening your belief in your own power. One of the most important lessons in this process is understanding that your thoughts are the seeds that create your reality. You are always planting seeds in your subconscious mind, whether you realize it or not. Every thought you think, every feeling you experience, is planting a seed. And the more positive, empowering, and focused your thoughts are, the more favorable your reality will become. So, start small if you need to. Begin by manifesting small things, something simple, like a cup of coffee, a phone call, or a parking spot. These small wins will help build your confidence and show you just how powerful you truly are. Soon enough, you'll be able to manifest bigger desires with ease. Another thing to keep in mind is that the universe works in mysterious ways. Sometimes, your desires will come to you in unexpected forms. So, be open to receiving them however they show up. Don't limit yourself by thinking you know exactly how it will happen. Trust that everything is happening for your highest good. Manifestation is not about trying to control every detail of your life. It's about understanding that you are a powerful creator, and that your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings are shaping your reality every single day. The more you align with your desires and trust the process, the faster and easier manifestation becomes. This 4-minute technique is not a one-time thing. It's a tool you can use whenever you want to manifest something. Make it a habit. And as you continue to practice, you'll notice that your ability to manifest grows stronger and more effortless. You will begin to realize that there's no limit to what you can create in your life. Your thoughts are your power. The beauty of this process is that it doesn't require you to spend hours in meditation or struggle with complicated techniques. It's simple, quick, and incredibly effective. In just 4 minutes, you can change your entire reality. So, take the time each day to manifest your desires, and watch as your life transforms before your eyes. One of the biggest obstacles people face when trying to manifest their desires is doubt. But doubt is simply a distraction. It's not the truth of who you are. When you practice this technique, focus solely on your vision and your belief in it. Push away any thoughts of doubt, worry, or fear. Know that what you've imagined is already being drawn to you. Trust in the process and allow yourself to feel the certainty of your desires coming to fruition. It's crucial to understand that your emotions are your guidance system. If you feel good while thinking about your manifestation, it's a sign that you are aligned with it. If you feel anxious or uncertain, take a step back. You don't need to force anything. Let go of the urgency and trust that things will unfold perfectly. The more you practice detachment from how or when things will happen, the faster they tend to come to you. You have the power to create anything you want, and the universe is always responding to your thoughts and feelings. The 4-minute manifestation technique is your key to unlocking this power. So, go ahead and give it a try. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Your desires are waiting for you. Now is the time to claim them.